Well, we got the scaffolding for the job. I'm gonna set that up. And we had to rent extra scaffolding to set up for these 2 peaks on this apartment building in South Minneapolis. As you can see, there's brick on the peaks that are, it's just a lot of damage, a lot of decay. It's been tuck pointed and they've tried to repair it before, but it needs to be rebuilt. As you can see, it's come out about 6 inches on the top. The brick is leaned out. It was pretty dangerous, so we had to put these 2x6 braces up. And we had to put in that's supporting it from the back, so when we started taking it down, it wouldn't all fall down and crash through the windows downstairs. We're up 2 stories. So we're up about 30 feet, 25 to 30 feet workspace. One brick at a time, and then 1 bucket at a time. We use a pulley, and we lower it down 1 bucket at a time. So we always had a guy on the ground and a guy up, 1 or 2 guys up top. As you can see, there's 3 levels of scaffolding, so we rented all that and put it all up and secured it to the building structure. There's a brace right there, a little blue brace. Tar paper, you gotta use that to protect the wood from the moisture. That's code. That's required in the IRC, International Residential Code. There was some wood rot as well, so we had to deal with that. We didn't do any decorative wood restoration on that. We just put some green treated planks up there that covered the space, and they're gonna hire as you can see, there's so much wood rot, but they're gonna hire a carpenter to do that part of the restoration. The first course of brick ties and soldier course brick, there's angle iron directly under that brick there holding it all up. Here's a picture of the crew working. That's Gage and Evan. Evan is my son and Gage is a worker. These soda stone trim was salvaged. That's the left peak. All that brick had to be carried by hand. We got them up in the buckets, and as you can see, the decorative stones were reset and salvaged. Here's a picture of the pulley system that we used. A hook and a rope and a pulley on an outrigger. Looks like the project's done. We caulked the holes. We had to screw anchor holes into the ceiling, the roof. So we had to caulk those up. And now you can see it's all done. I took some pictures as we were taking the scaffolding down so I could get back further and nothing was in the way. I took some pictures of the final product. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Natural Stone Masonry.